Interior design is far more than the arrangement of furniture. It is the curation of a home's soul. In small-scale living rooms, the challenge is to craft a space that feels expansive yet intimate, blending timeless aesthetics with surgical precision and functionality. A well-designed room uses textures, proportions, and light to form a spatial personality that reflects the inhabitant's lifestyle, proving that square footage never dictates the depth of luxury. Achieving a sophisticated atmosphere requires an understanding of how decor elements interact with light and volume. By prioritizing high-quality materials and intentional layouts, a compact living area becomes a sanctuary of style. This guide explores the intersection of modern trends and classical design principles to help you maximize your home's potential through strategic, premium decor choices. Number 1. Adopt Scandinavian simplicity. Scandinavian design excels in small spaces by prioritizing hygge and light. Focus on light-reflecting surfaces and high-legged furniture that allows the floor to remain visible, creating an illusion of more space. Use blonde woods and organic textiles to soften the clean lines. Number 2. Master the Japandi balance. Japandi merges Japanese wabi-sabi with Scandinavian functionality. This style uses low-profile furniture to increase the vertical space in a room. Emphasize natural imperfection and a decluttered environment to foster a sense of tranquility. Number 3. Utilize vertical industrialism. Small living rooms benefit from the tall, lean lines of industrial design. Use exposed metal shelving and high ceilings to draw the eye upward. The use of raw materials like brick and steel adds character without requiring excessive floor space. Number 4. Curate minimalist luxury. Minimalism doesn't mean empty, it means intentional. In a small space, invest in 1 or 2 hero pieces, like a velvet sofa or a marble table, and keep the rest of the room understated. Quality over quantity is the mantra here. Number 5. Layer monochromatic textures. A monochromatic palette prevents the room from feeling fragmented. By using various shades of the same color, you create a cohesive flow. The key is to layer different textures, boucle, silk, and wood, to keep the design from looking flat. Number 6. Integrate biophilic depth. Bringing the outdoors in can breathe life into a cramped room. Use varying heights of indoor plants to create a living wall effect. Natural greens act as a neutral color, adding depth and a sense of freshness that artificial decor cannot replicate. Number 7. Embrace mid-century modernity. Mid-century modern furniture is famous for its slim profile, thin legs, and low backs. This makes it ideal for small rooms because it maintains a clear line of sight across the floor, preventing the space from feeling overcrowded. Number 8. Implement mirror magic. Mirrors are an old designer trick, but the modern way is to use them as architectural features. A floor-to-ceiling mirror or a gallery of oversized mirrors can effectively double the visual depth of a small living room. Number 9. Focus on transitional cohesion. Transitional style blends the comfort of traditional design with the clean lines of modernism. For small rooms, this means using classic silhouettes like a Chesterfield, but in a modern, light-colored fabric to keep the vibe fresh and unstuffy.